Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I just have here a delicious seafood boil in a bag. I went to mock Crawfish and I got some, of course, some crawfish. Yummy. I got some green lip mussels and I got some head-on shrimp. I forgot the sausage, you guys. I have some rice, some cucumbers, and of course some good old yummy crusty bread. The drink, I'm just gonna have a Paradise Punch lemonade calypso. What are you guys what are you guys eating with me? Hopefully it's something delicious. You guys can't even see this. I forgot what I was going to say, you guys. Oh, so I know I sound a little hoarse, you guys. I kind of sort of coming down with something, I think. I don't know. So forgive me how I sound. The sauce is the garlic, lemon pepper garlic butter sauce. That's my favorite sauce at this restaurant. Would you guys like a mussel? There you go. Got medium. Heat level medium. There's the head on shrimp. Ooh, squirting at me. What are you guys eating? And what have you guys been up to? I wasn't supposed to have this tonight. I was supposed to be having something more simple. But I changed my mind. I was debating if I should use the Be Love sauce for this and just get it with no sauce. But I'm kind of trying to save my Be Love sauce, yo, because I know I can't just get it anytime I want it right now. So I'm trying to hold on to it. Ooh, I know I love me some crawfish. Love, love, love crawfish. This thing is messy. How has your week been? The weekend is finally ooh, crawfish. Come on. These things are so good. This bread that I got, you guys, is jalapeno cheddar. Yeah, I know this bread. I love my bread. I gotta have my bread. Ah, it's hot. It's gonna make me full though. Mmm. Mmm. That bread is good. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I wish I would have got some sausage, you guys. Because that would have set it off. But I could always just do another video, right? I've been craving the sausage, rice, and cucumbers. So I thought I was gonna get that tonight, but I sure did walk out of there and not order the sausage. This place is very, well, it's similar to like the boiling crab, juicy crab. Except they have their own sauce. The sauce, well, yeah, they have their own Cajun sauce. Work with me. So what's been going on in the YouTube world, you guys? I've been watching a couple. Oh, you guys, sorry. I'm doing a Q&A. So if you have any questions for me, I'm not sure which video I'm going to do it on, but it'll be soon. Put the questions in the in the comment box below, or I put a post on the community tab. You can put a question over there and I'll be answering your questions. Let's see if it'll come out. Come right out. So I have my warmer on, you guys. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit of rice in my mussel. A little bit of sauce. There you go. See if I can get it. That cucumber is so refreshing. This type of seafood boil is so different from like the regular seafood boil with the king crab and all that I normally do. It tastes completely different. I also have some lime juice with salt and pepper. It's so good. It's such a good little condiment. So simple. Mm. Ooh, it's good to me. Guys, I wanted to kind of sort of, I think I might talk about it a little bit more on another video because I don't know all the full details and I don't want to misspeak, but I heard that Miss Fantasia was in the news or trending because of a statement that she made about being submissive to her husband. And I'm not sure if people took that the wrong way or, excuse me, disagree with her or whatnot. I don't know all the facts. I have to find out or read up on what she said before I, give my full opinion. But if you know what I'm referring to, or if you have any thoughts on a woman being submissive to her husband, comment down below. And depending on what she said, I'll tell you, I do think that if a woman has a good man, that's God-fearing, he's a provider, treats her well and everything, a woman can be submissive to her husband. Doesn't mean like he bosses her around or whatever, but I look at it just like letting your husband lead. That's how I look at it. I'm not even a rice eater, you guys, but this is so good. Guys, if you haven't had a chance to check out my lobster tail video that I did. Using Be-Love sauce. Go ahead and check it out. That sauce is so good, you guys. It's so good. Hot. This is so good. Ooh, taste that. Hot. I'm happy. Now, one of my subscribers said, she said, I always know when the food is good because you start dancing. After happy dance. You gotta do the happy dance when you got good food. That cucumber just sets it off. Look, the whole, can y'all see that? The whole tail came out. I didn't even offer y'all none. Here you go. This is so good. Guys, I can't wait to get to New Orleans so I can have me a good old crawfish boil. Oh, I tell you. Let's peel and eat shrimp. It's a lot of work, but it's so good. It's so worth it. It's so good. Sorry. This one has a thin shell, so it's harder to peel. Which I think is why I see a lot of people that just eat the shrimp with the shell on, because it's so thin. You probably barely even taste it. Almost. Oh, there. Get all up in that sauce. Get all that garlic. This video is not going to be too long because it's hot. Because I'm almost done. Here you go. Question, guys. What do you guys think about Life Jennings' new song, Slave? If you're over 18, go check it out on YouTube. If you are under 18, I don't know, go watch Teletubbies or something. This tastes like kind of like Hawaiian Punch, but without the aftertaste. To me, Hawaiian Punch has kind of like a strange aftertaste to it. So there was some controversy where people were complaining about that song. And you know, I love me some Life Jennings, y'all. Love me some Life Jennings. Every time he comes out here, I go to his concert. I mean, personally, I don't see anything wrong with it, because I think it was meant to be directed in a certain direction, or like an adult only type song. So I don't see anything wrong with it. I get how people are saying the lyrics and whatnot, but you know, there's a whole world out there that does that stuff all the time. Got the drip, y'all. Got the drip. I think I'm gonna finish this crawfish and be done. Where we at? Yeah. This, ouch. This tail is fat. Look at this thing. Y'all see that? Like a little baby lobster. So good. Turn this warmer off. I'm full. I'm about to wrap up. Okay, guys. Time for me to wrap up. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so. On the side of the subscription, oh no, I do not have. Chat, why y'all ain't said nothing? One of y'all could have said something. You could have said, Miko, you got sauce dripping all down the girls. Y'all wrong. Anywho's, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so. On the side of the subscription button is a notification bell. Hit the bell to be notified every single time that I upload a video. Come back and join me for another mukbang, a cook with me, an ASMR video, or a vlog, or a live. I've been going live kind of, sort of. Feel free to share my videos with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your neighbors, your loved ones. Anyone that you feel should be over here eating some good food with Miko YumYum. Welcome, all my new subscribers. Hi, guys. How are ya? Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying this. Sorry. I hope that you guys are enjoying this content, all this good, yummy food that I'm eating. If there's anything that you guys would like to see me eat, just put it in the comments down below. I will try to make that happen. If I can't make it happen, I'll tell you why. Thanks for subscribing, you guys. I really appreciate you guys subscribing. You guys are amazing. Thank you, and thank you. And I want to say thank you to my day ones and my loyal viewers. I appreciate you guys. The love, the support, the shares, the comments, the feedback. the views. I really, really appreciate you guys. You guys are so good to me. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up. I enjoyed this meal. It was very tasty. Um, I'm gonna save this sauce and probably have it over some rice with some sausage and some cucumbers. That's what I'll do. Um, but yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys. I have crispy bacon here, bringing prosperity to you, myself, and this channel. I will see you guys all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Bye, guys.